What if I told you some of the best speaker systems I've ever heard weren't in a listening room, but in a car? Today, we're looking at the best cars for audiophiles and the most impressive factory-installed speaker systems I've personally experienced. No DIY builds, no aftermarket swaps. This is pure manufacturer-engineered sound done right. From shockingly realistic imaging to bass that feels like a proper home system, these cars prove that great audio doesn't stop when you leave the house. If you care about music, detail, and emotional impact while driving, this one's for you. Let's get into it.
Starting our technical review at the absolute peak of isolation, the Rolls-Royce Spectre redefines the noise floor for automotive audio because it replaces the traditional V12 with a dual-motor electric powertrain producing a finalized 584 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Mechanical interference is virtually non-existent. It has a silent heart that allows its bespoke audio system to shine in a way no combustion car can. This engineering masterpiece, which carries a starting price of approximately $422,750 but often exceeds $550,000 with bespoke commissions, features an 18-speaker, 1,400-watt layout. What makes it one of the best I've seen is the structural integration. Rolls-Royce uses the car's aluminum space frame sills as resonance chambers for the subwoofers, effectively utilizing the architecture's internal cavities as acoustic volumes. Coupled with aluminum magnesium speaker cones for lightning-fast response and 180 kilograms of sound deadening, this cabin delivers a near-perfect 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in 4.4 seconds in near-total silence.
Moving on to a completely different, physical approach to sound, the Bentley Continental GT Speed offers a high-impact experience. Bentley uses an ultra-performance hybrid V8 that pumps out a staggering 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, allowing for a blistering 0 to 60 mile-per-hour time of just 3.1 seconds. While the engine provides a deep, muscular growl, the hybrid system allows for silent electric cruising, the perfect window for critical listening. This grand tourer, with a starting price of roughly $306,250 that can climb to $391,175 for loaded speed models, features the Naim for Bentley system. Delivering 2,200 watts through 20 speakers, the X factor is the pair of active bass transducers built directly into the front seats. They don't just play low frequencies, they vibrate your seat in sync with the rhythm, allowing you to feel the bass in your bones without the audio sounding bloated. Next up is a system you don't just hear, you feel. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 delivers one of the most advanced tactile audio experiences on the road. Under the hood, a legendary handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 produces 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, effortlessly launching this massive flagship sedan from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. Starting around $244,400, the S680 is the pinnacle of the lineup, and fittingly, it features the Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system as standard equipment. This setup packs 31 speakers and 1,750 watts of power, but the real magic comes from 8 exciters built directly into the seat backrests. These transducers convert music into physical vibrations, letting you feel the bass, the rhythm, and the emotion of every track through your body. Pair that with Dolby Atmos, active road noise cancellation, and sound tuning tailored to your personal hearing profile, and the result is a fully immersive multi-sensory soundstage that blurs the line between listening and experiencing.
I have to give a quick notable mention to the Mercedes-AMG G63, simply because I know you're going to ask about it.
While it commands a similar price tag, often pushing $200,000, the G-Wagon actually uses a scaled-back version of the Burmester system. It packs 18 speakers and roughly 760 watts, which is powerful, but it lacks the 31 speaker count and the 4D tactile seat shakers found in the Maybach. Why? Physics. The G-Wagon's flat vertical glass and square cabin create complex acoustic reflections that are harder to tame. So, while the G63 is the ultimate status symbol, if you want the ultimate listening experience, the Maybach S680 is objectively superior.
Another specialized option is the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, an electric sedan that treats audio with scientific precision. The Turbo S trim generates a massive 938 horsepower and can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a physics-defying 2.3 seconds. This high-performance EV carries a starting price of approximately $221,400. But to reach audiophile nirvana, the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system is a vital premium option that typically adds about $7,000 to the total build. The system utilizes 21 speakers and 1,455 watts, but the real stars are the Air Motion Transformer AMT tweeters. Unlike traditional domes, these folded ribbon foils squeeze air to produce high frequencies with zero transient distortion. In the absence of an exhaust note, these speakers create a holographic soundstage that makes it feel as though the artist is performing live right on your dashboard.
Shifting focus to a classic American sound signature, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer brings home theater pedigree to the SUV segment. Powered by a 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo i6 engine, producing 510 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, it provides effortless cruising power and a 0 to 60 mile-per-hour time of approximately 4.7 seconds. With a starting price for the Obsidian and Series 3 trims ranging from $95,000 to $105,000, this vehicle features the McIntosh MX1375 reference system. This setup pumps 1,375 watts through 23 speakers, utilizing McIntosh's patented PowerGuard technology to prevent clipping and distortion, even at high volumes. Known for its blue meters on the display and a warm, rich mid-range, this system is engineered to mimic the sound of a high-end analog home rack, making it a distinct choice for those who prefer soul and warmth over clinical sharpness. Moving into the realm of ultra-modern digital immersion, the Cadillac Celestiq serves as an ultra-luxury electric flagship that prioritizes a sanctuary experience. Powered by a dual-motor electric setup generating 655 horsepower and 646 pound-feet of torque, it glides from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. This hand-built masterpiece carries a starting price in the low $400,000 range, with fully customized versions often reaching much higher. The centerpiece for any audiophile is the AKG Studio reference system, which features a staggering 38 speakers powered by 3 separate amplifiers. What makes this one of the best I've seen is its native support for Dolby Atmos. With speakers integrated into the headrests in the ceiling, it creates a 360-degree bubble of sound that maps instruments to specific locations in the cabin rather than just playing in stereo. Stepping into a different kind of precision, the BMW 760i xDrive offers a blend of raw power and laboratory-grade audio. It features a 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8 assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing 536 horsepower and allowing for a 0 to 60 mile-per-hour sprint in 4.1 seconds. This luxury sedan starts at approximately $124,700, and for the discerning listener, the must-have option is the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround Sound System. Pumping 1,965 watts through 36 speakers, the system's technical edge lies in its physical diamond dome tweeters. Because diamond is incredibly rigid and lightweight, the speakers don't flex or vibrate at high frequencies, delivering a sound that is exceptionally clinical and transparent. It even includes 8 4D tactile shakers in the seats to add physical depth to the low end. For those who prefer a more expansive atmospheric soundstage, the Range Rover SV utilizes one of the most sophisticated digital signal processing (DSP) setups on the market. Under the hood, the SV-exclusive 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 commands 607 horsepower, pushing this massive SUV to 60 miles per hour in a surprising 4.3 seconds. With a starting price of roughly $219,500, the SV comes standard with the Meridian signature sound system. This setup uses 35 speakers and 1,600 watts, but its secret is tri-field 3D technology. This proprietary algorithm blends the center and surround channels with dedicated height speakers to make the car's roof feel like it has disappeared, creating a sense of air and height that makes live recordings sound as if they are being played in a massive cathedral rather than a leather-lined cabin. Shifting to a more natural and organic listening experience, the Volvo XC90 Ultra is often the sleeper choice for audio purists. The T8 plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers a combined 455 horsepower, allowing the SUV to reach 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds, while offering roughly 32 miles of silent electric range. Priced at approximately $85,600 for the 2026 Ultra trim, reaching over $90,000 with a Bowers & Wilkins upgrade and other options, this vehicle is famous for its tweeter-on-top design. By placing the tweeter physically on top of the dashboard, Volvo minimizes acoustic reflections from the windshield. The system utilizes 19 speakers and 1,410 watts, and it features a legendary Gothenburg concert hall mode, which uses complex math to perfectly replicate the exact reverb and acoustics of the Gothenburg Symphony Orchestra's home base, offering a uniquely immersive, realistic experience. Moving back to the cutting edge of electrification, the Lucid Air Sapphire is the most powerful car on this list, acting as a hyper-fast listening room. It features a tri-motor powertrain producing a mind-blowing 1,234 horsepower and 1,430 pound-feet of torque, rocketing the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a world record 1.89 seconds. With a price tag of $249,000, it comes fully loaded with the Surreal Sound Pro system. This 21-speaker arrangement is designed for ultra-high-resolution audio playback and features advanced directional imaging. Because the cabin is so quiet and the speakers are so precisely tuned, the system can actually place a warning chime to sound like it's coming from the exact direction of a blind spot hazard or an unbuckled seatbelt, while simultaneously providing a razor-sharp, studio-accurate music experience that favors digital clarity over analog warmth.
Because we always look at the automobile as like, it's a captive environment, short of having a sound booth at home or wearing a high-end set of headphones. The automobile is really like a captive sound chamber. So to be able to partner up with a technology partner like Dolby means a lot.
It was very obvious to us that Lucid was trying to do something different and trying to do something that was unique to the automotive experience. The way that Lucid has approached the automobile and a lot of what I understand from a design and the creative side very much resonates with Dolby's approach to experiences. We are creators creating things for other creators. And Dolby Atmos is an immersive experience that allows creatives, musicians, artists to do things they've never done before. With Atmos, we're giving creatives a whole new way of thinking about audio to where they now just think about audio in space. When they hear it, it is always this whoa, like you get some pretty awesome reactions. Usually one of the next questions we get from them will be, this is great. So when can I listen to this in my car?
The automobile is a unique space to curate. From a design standpoint, we put so much focus on the materials and the space of the interior, the color, and all the senses. We've had to be super meticulous about the placement of hardware, speaker positions throughout the vehicle, and all of that's been done to be very hidden and discreet. You'll notice in the interior of the Lucid Air, there's not big polished metal speaker grills and things like that. Everything's very much hidden away and subtle because we want the sound to lead, not the hardware. The other side of that goes beyond the music and more into the sounds that the car makes. So all of the signals, warnings, indicators, and how the car communicates back to you we're able to control those sounds and really design that to be immersive. For example, if someone in the rear seat's not wearing the seatbelt chime comes on, but it comes on coming from that back corner. Or when we start up the car and the startup sequence comes to life, it doesn't just come to life in front of you, it comes to life all around you. So you're dimensionally immersed in the sounds that the vehicle itself makes. And so that's a big part of it.
I think Lucid is going to inspire a whole new way for creatives within the auto industry and beyond to do new things within an automobile, whether it be entertainment or driver safety, etc.
So what we do here is that we take one of our immersive car sounds. In this case, we work on the mock-up of a seatbelt sound, designing in Dolby Atmos. And in this room, we simulate the full in-car experience. And on this side, you see the immersive audio architecture that we've created. We designed it to be like a recording studio. It can handle hundreds of sounds and sources simultaneously.
We can't wait for people to hear it. We can't wait for people to experience it. The Lucid Air Dolby Atmos experience is going to be one that is truly going to blow people away. And I think it really is going to get people excited about music in ways that maybe they haven't been in a long time. This is going to be one of those moments where people really are going to remember the first time they experienced this.
Concluding the list with a focus on tonal purity, the Lexus LS 500 Heritage Edition represents the final run of a legendary flagship. Its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 produces a refined 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Limited to only 250 units in the US and starting at $99,280, this sedan features the Mark Levinson reference surround sound system. While it features 23 speakers and 2,400 watts, Mark Levinson focuses on total harmonic distortion, THD. The goal here isn't to be the loudest, but to be the most sweet and natural. Using quantum logic immersion (QLI) technology, it ensures that vocals and acoustic instruments sound exactly as they were recorded in the studio, making it a perfect choice for those who want to hear every nuance in a delicate performance without any digital shimmer or harshness.
That's our definitive ranking of the most advanced listening rooms on four wheels. From the scientific precision of the Porsche Taycan's ribbon tweeters to the absolute acoustic silence of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, each of these systems offers a unique way to experience your favorite tracks. But at this level of engineering, the best often comes down to your personal sonic signature. If you had to choose just one for your perfect audio system, whether it's from this list or a hidden gem I missed, which one would you be driving? Comment your choice below. I'm curious to see which sound profile wins. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the physics of high-end car audio, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.